Hey everybody, it's your friendly hypnotist here, Joe Dinsdale from Multi-Therapy. Today I'm doing something super fun, which is a remake of my best performing video. This is just a thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate the support. Today we are talking about this seemingly magical thing that is instant induction. If you see a person get snapped into hypnosis in under a minute, you've been witness to an instant induction because they are so quick. Instant inductions keep people from getting too nervous or trying to analyze things, what's going on. They find themselves in a trance before they even know what's hit them, which eliminates the potential for resistance. It may seem instant, but there's actually a lot of psychology at play during these inductions. In fact, it starts as soon as the hypnotist introduces themselves. I'll do an example and I'll show you what I mean. Decide now whether you want to just sit back and learn or if you'd like to be hypnotized during my example. If you don't want to be hypnotized, simply tell yourself consciously, I will not get hypnotized. And you won't. Are you ready? Good. Because we've already begun. When you clicked on this video, you started the induction. You knew that there was going to be a chance you'd get hypnotized. Maybe you've been hypnotized by me before or somebody else and you enjoyed the feeling. I introduced myself as a friendly hypnotist and maybe I have a trustworthy face. This is called the preamble. We are building rapport and expectation. The next part is important. Ask them, do you want to be hypnotized? Now look into my eyes. Now look left, then right. This is building up compliance and instructional control. Do this by asking simple tasks of them. Look into my eyes once more and just rock back and forth, back and forth. Very good. And close your eyes right away. Drift and relax all the way down. Now close your eyes. Deep, deep, deep into relaxation, guiding you down, down, down. With every word I say, the more relaxed you become. We are deepening this trance to allow you the feeling of it spreading through your entire body, complete relaxation. And now we're going to test just how deep in trance you are in a minute, but not yet. I'll ask you to try to open your eyes, but you will not be able to because they are too heavy and too relaxed. So heavy and relaxed, it's almost like magnets are sticking them together. And in the count of 3, I'll ask you to try to open your eyes, but you will not be able to do so. They are too heavy, too tired, absolutely too heavy and too tired. So 1, stuck together, 2, stuck like glue, and 3, try, but you cannot. Try and you cannot. Very good. And relax even deeper down now. Relax those eyes, still closed. Very good. Relax even deeper and deeper down. And just take a nice deep breath, feeling super good about this whole experience. And in a moment, I will snap my fingers again and you will be wide awake and alert and out of trance. 3, 2, 1, and welcome back. So that's just a quick example of how we do an instant induction, a little preamble of what hypnosis is. If the subject hasn't been hypnotized before, we want them to feel comfortable and relaxed and open to a new experience. And finally, when we put them into hypnosis, we have that one aspect of compliance already down because we've asked them to maybe move around a little bit, follow instructions. If I were closer to you, I'd definitely make some sort of physical contact, like on the shoulder, and help you sway side to side. You see a lot of hypnotists actually scoot their hand around the person's neck gently, of course, and just moving them from the back of their neck. By doing this, they're putting themselves in a dominant position. After we do the instant induction, we do a deepener, down, 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 so that relaxation, they feel like they're drifting down and down the deeper and deeper they get. We also did a suggestibility test, which was checking if your eyes were sticking together. And from there, if your suggestion works, you can have a lot more fun with it. If not, keep doing deepeners and deepeners until the person is compliant with the suggestions, or you can move on to a new subject. Anyways, that's it from me. Thank you for watching this example video. Like, share, subscribe, or join my membership, and I'll see you in the next one. Multi goodbyes!